small, even surfaces using lateral tapes. Place the application tape onto the plotted, weeded film. Position the entire laminate without removing the backing and secure the sides with small strips of adhesive paper tape. Then secure one entire side of the laminate with a strip of adhesive tape. Remove the adhesive tape on the opposite side. Turn over the entire laminate and remove the backing paper whilst holding up the decal. Start applying the decal from the side that has been secured with adhesive tape and run the squeegee with regular, firm, overlapping movements from the centre upwards and then downwards until total adhesion is achieved. Remove the application tape at a steady pace and at an angle between 15 degrees and 30 degrees.